So first thing about videos is you want to always ask people to share, to like, share, and subscribe. All three of those, because that helps your queue on everything with YouTube in the future. And then once you get, I think it's 1,000 views or 1,000 subscribers, I'm not sure what, then you can start doing live videos, which I'll do in the future, maybe a year from now. So we're starting out. This will be one of the very first ones. I'll maybe do a few first ones, maybe pick the best first one to post. But we got to get something going here because I'm a metal artist and I'm doing that and it's all caught up. So I do actually have time to do this, and like I say, I've been saying I was going to do it forever. So if we don't do it now on this cheap Chinese knockoff 4K GoPro for 35 bucks on eBay, highly recommend.